Welcome to Foto Fetch. Congrats on accepting a job as a Foto Fetch photographer. In this video, we'll go over how to find all of the important information and instructions for each job you accept at Foto Fetch by looking at the photographer's instructions. When you sign into your Foto Fetch account and review the jobs list, clicking on a job will bring you here to the fulfillment page.
In this example, the job we're looking at is a digital approach, which involves shooting billboards. Depending on the type of job, the instructions page we are about to review may change slightly in appearance or order, and the details and requirements will vary from job to job. This video provides a general overview and familiarization of completing a job as a Foto Fetch photographer. It is still your responsibility to read and follow all directions carefully for every job.
Clicking on Job Details will reveal all the information and requirements for the job, beginning with the job overview, which lists important information about the job, including the start date for the job, whether you're shooting photos or videos, the type of shoot you'll be conducting, the type of image file needed, if drone images are needed, whether scheduling or coordination is required prior to the shoot, and finally, the number of images you'll need to deliver for the job to be completed. Below that, you'll find the location of the shoot with a map and a link for viewing it on Google Maps. Next, you'll see the photo requirements, a list of expectations you must follow in order for your images to be approved once they're submitted and go to our editors for review. These are mandatory and are not negotiable. Submissions that fail to meet all of the requirements will be returned or rejected. Next is the job description, with specific details about the shoot, as well as how many images of each image type are required for your submission to be approved. You'll also find notes from the customer having to do with the shoot, including preferences and/or requests they may have. Below the job description is where you'll find the street address for the shoot location, as well as any information necessary to identifying the correct board. The rest of the page goes through everything you need to know to get the shots we're looking for with ease and confidence. Please pay special attention as we detail the purpose and distinctions of the photos in this section. The first photo is an image of the actual billboard structure that you will shoot. The ad you'll be shooting will be showing on this billboard, so it's important to locate the specific billboard upon arriving at the shoot location. The second photo shows the advertisement itself that you'll be shooting. You should take note of the ad creative only, as the billboard and location shown in this photo is not, in most cases, the actual billboard structure you will be shooting. The remaining images are examples of the photos you're expected to capture and submit. In this case, they're close-ups and approach shots. The example images have a brief description of each image type and its parameters. To ensure that your submission is a success, it's recommended that you use these example images as a model to replicate your photos after. Lastly, the bottom of the instructions will usually contain tools, tips, and links to resources to improve your skills prior to shooting the job and to help you have a smooth and successful shoot. That's the end of the photographer's instructions. You now have the tools to complete your job successfully. Continue to the next video to learn about performing the final steps in uploading your work, submitting your files, and completing the job. Remember to stay safe and legal, obey local traffic laws, observe traffic signs and signals, and please don't take any risks.